That's right, guys. It is finally time to launch this thing. I've been talking about my hair product for so long and you've been extremely patient. Well, now you can finally mark your calendars because the Forte Series Texture Clay comes out on October 24th at 9 a.m. Pacific. This is the hair clay that you've all been waiting for. It took me almost 2 years to develop this product. I surveyed over 2,000 people asking them what the perfect clay would look and feel like to them. And this is the result. It's an extreme high hold clay that holds your hair in place all day, so you're not gonna have a flat hairstyle halfway through the day. But it's not like those super hard products that you can't restyle. It's still pliable, which is insane. Look, my hair is still soft, it still works. It's also a master of texture, so it makes your hair look really defined and flowy instead of having like one big block of hair. Plus, we added argan oil to the Forte clay, so it actually nourishes your hair all day as you leave it on. It's like a mask. It's the one styling product that you can rely on to make sure that you look your best, to make you unleash your full hair potential every single day. For example, when I'm out walking here in Hollywood, right? I see a lot of guys with so much potential to look great. These guys could go from a 6 to a 9 or 10 if they only knew what to do about their hair. This is why I created the Forte Series Texture Clay. I know that from experience, all right? When I look good, I feel good. And when I feel good, I'm ready to face any opportunities that come my way. Could be going to a party, interviewing for a new job, or even just chatting up a cute girl. I created the Forte Clay to help you guys all over the world feel the same way. And on October 24th, you'll be able to get your hands on this clay. I know you waited a long time, but trust me, it was worth the wait, all right? And to celebrate, I'm gonna run the biggest giveaway I've ever done in my life. There will be 10 winners, first of all. First place is gonna get a 1-year supply of the Forte clay and an exclusive one-on-one style consultation with me. I'm gonna call you, we're gonna chat one-on-one. The second prize is 3 jars of Forte, 1 Anson belt set, and 1 original grain watch. The prize is worth almost $400. And the other 8 winners will all get a jar of Forte each. All you have to do to enter is go to the link in the website below here in the description and enter your email. That's it. It's free entry. I'm gonna announce the winners on October 23rd, the day before we launch. I hope you're excited for this because I put so much work into this product, into this brand. I'm so excited to see what amazing hairstyles that you guys create with the Forte clay. It's just so good to hold this in my hands right now. Thank you guys so much for the support. You've been amazing. Thank you for waiting so long for this product. I guarantee it was worth the wait. So go check the website below, enter the giveaway, and get ready because on October 24th, you will be able to get your hands on this product. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Peace.